I'm going to do a review on a ZHEN Premium Company's knife. This is how it comes packaged. It's a Japanese Damascus Gyuto 9.5-inch chef knife, and it is their model D1 from the Damascus series. Comes in nice packaging. I really like that it's sunk down in there so it won't get damaged in shipping. And I believe it's a full tang. It's a VG-10 steel. You can see the beautiful Damascus folds on here. I forget how many folds there were, so I'll put that into a note when I do the written part. It does not have the big wedge back here like some knives do, so you'll be able to continue to sharpen this knife without running into a problem. Has a nice heft to it, nice feel. So we'll do off a couple veggies, see how they do. Has a real nice bite. You can actually feel it biting into the cutting board some. A nice roll to it. Everything came apart, so it went through the skin real nicely. Some knives won't do that. They'll all be stuck together. Does have a good roll to it. Alright, so there's that part. Let's try a shallot. Yeah, this one's working better for me. The other one I messed up, so it wasn't the knife. So we got a real nice dice on those. Go on to a potato to see how much it sticks or not. Wow, that really sliced through that easily. So it's slicing through it that way really easily. Oh yeah, this one's got a real nice cut to it. It really slides through that nicely. Okay, carrot, looking to see if it's going to split it or not. Just going to square the carrot up and then just draw the knife through. And so I'm going to have to apply a fair amount of pressure here to get it to actually pull through that carrot. Some carrots are more woody than others, but I'm not able to get the full pull through on that. And lastly, let's do a lemon. Again, it's pulling through the lemon really, really easily. A D2. Also real nice on the paper. On the carrot. A little tiny bit of stick coming through there, but it's still coming through real nice. On the green onion. Goes through the green onion really nicely. And it's slicing all the way through. And I'm not getting maybe just a tiny bit of bruising. It looks really nice. And on the salmon, okay. Trim off that piece that was there from the last one. Also, that went farther through than the other two knives. Not quite all the way through, so again, I just might have too big a piece of salmon, but it sliced it really nice and clean. That is the Damascus Steel VG-10 by the ZHEN Premium Knife Company.